As we move into the game, please listen to the safety regulations so everyone can have fun and enjoy the game. First, please be alert for foul balls and keep an eye on small children.
Also, do not throw any object onto the playing field or make noise that would interfere with the players. Let's cheer with the adrenaline feelings and have a great time.
To avoid fighting others, it is prohibited to set up firecrackers or fireworks. Last but not least, in order to have an enjoyable environment for the baseball game, smoking is not allowed inside the stadium.
Dear parents, Dragon's Baseball Club encourages everyone to follow their law safety regulations.